All right. You know where we are. Forgot the name of this building. Just gotta put my phone away. You're going up, sir? You're going up? I'm just an elevator photographer, just to let you know. It's a 1985 Dover. You can come inside. I'm an elevator photographer, as you know.
Okay.
What's the name of this building? I forgot.
Pavilion.
Pavilion building. Got it. Thanks. This is a vintage 1985 Dover with an amazing dry-powered musical sounding motor. You take care and have a great day. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Sorry.
You can come inside. I'm so sorry, ma'am.
No, it's okay.
Kind of startled me there.
Sorry.
I'm just taking a video of the elevator. It's just a hobby I have.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry about that, audience, for that overreaction. Someone was in the elevator who was carrying things I don't want to shut the door on. Just talking to my audience. I have a YouTube channel. I put my videos up on there.
Awesome. Thank you.
You take care and have a great day.
You too.
You're welcome. All right, we're gonna close up the door and we're gonna listen to the motor. Take a cab view of this. I love the motor on this. The cab reminds me of the ones in the Market parking garage before they renovated them. They are Dover classic traditional fixtures, your non-ADA foam. All right, let's listen to the motor. Here we go. Love the motor on this. All right, let's go on to 1. Interesting how they added a door close button here. Most original Dovers don't have the door close button. Usually the door close button is right there. Watch the button go out. Look at this. This got an Adams replacement. Let's see. Look how they push in. See? This, you just barely tap it. This, you just press in. See, look at that. Very different. See if the bell works. Nope, it doesn't ring. But there it goes. And that's it.